It's spring, and I just got down to the basement to do some laundry, and it's snowing outside, so that means the basement is freezing. It's spring, and we're in April, and I need the heat to be down here. Look at that. My neighbor's rose bush is budding. I don't know if you can tell, but then it has like these little rain and mixed little balls hanging off of it. I mean, it looks so cool. I must say, I am not digging this weather, but certainly pretty. Those Bolero Epsom salts that we got from the Dollar Tree, I save the bottles and then I just refill it with the bags of Epsom salt that I got. So I figured I'd share just in case you still have yours, and you could use this idea because they're really cute and they look nice in the bathroom. And you don't have to keep these bags out, or you don't have to keep bringing out the bags every time you want to use the salt. I don't know, just figured I'd share. And of course, I have one of these really old, I can't remember the name of them, but you can obviously see what it is. And I just feed it through that because obviously the hole on the bottle is pretty tiny. And there you have it. All full, ready to go. I figured I'd show you where I keep the rest of my Epsom salts. I just keep it in this basket that I got at the Target dollar spot a while back, and I just keep them all here, so then when I need them I can just take the bags out and go refill it, and they're all nice and tidy, all in one place. I've been so behind on laundry today. This is my third. Well, the first one was Denny's work outfit, so that really doesn't count, but I hate when laundry piles up. I want to share a laundry tip with you. Do you have like certain clothes that you don't like to dry, and that you either hang dry, air dry, same thing? Here's a little tip. This is what I do. See how wrinkled that is? Alright, I'm going to throw this in the dryer. I'm going to let it go for just a little bit, just enough to take the wrinkles out, and then I am going to air dry it, and it looks like it was ironed. It gets rid of all those wrinkles, and at the same time, you're not drying it, and you're not shrinking it. You know, if there's, I don't like to throw my clothes in the dryer. I don't like to throw AJ's clothes in the dryer either. Denny's clothes for that matter. I only select things like older things that I don't care about, but you know, our newer stuff, or definitely my clothes and AJ's clothes, because he's still growing, and I don't like my clothes to shrink. So I will show you what it comes out like just after a few minutes. There is the tank top that I just showed you that was all wrinkled. I just took it out of the dryer. It's still damp. Now I'm just going to let the rest of it air dry, and it got rid of all those wrinkles, and I don't have to worry about shrinkage. Here's another little tip for you. You probably already know this or do this, but this is just a container of like mixed nuts and candies from Target that I had empty. I did plan on taking the label off. I just never got to it. I filled this up with baking soda, and depending on the need of the load, if it's big or it really needs some sanitizing, I have a little scoop in there, and I add 1 to 2 scoops of baking soda in addition to the laundry soap that I'm using. And let me tell you, it works amazingly. Give it a try. I mean, ever since I started to do it, I have continued to do it, and I don't think I'll ever stop. I mean, it's amazing what baking soda is capable of. And if you hear that alarm beeping, we changed all the batteries last week, but we bought batteries at the Dollar Tree, and some of the fire alarms are not just battery operated, they're kind of like hooked up somehow electrically, and the ones that are hooked up electrically do not work. So hear it again, do not work with the Dollar Tree batteries, like the Panasonics and stuff. They only work with like the Duracells and the Energizers with the stronger batteries. So I don't know if that will help you, but next time you need to change your fire alarm batteries, go for the higher end, because they just don't want to deal with the Dollar Tree ones. Finally, I am done folding. Getting behind on laundry is the worst. And I am still behind another 2 loads. So don't mind the ratchet state that I'm in right now. I have been trying to catch up on the chaos of the week. Things got out of control and I'm just trying to get back to normal. Trying to do that before tomorrow so that I could have my normal Saturdays, which is go out and enjoy life. So right now I'm gonna sit down and have dinner. Denny's having leftovers. AJ went out to eat with his girlfriend. So it's just me here right now. And thanks to this lovely lady called Randomly Raina, she posted yesterday on Instagram this salad that she made with this dressing that is identical to the Big Mac. And ever since then, I have been craving a Big Mac. So thanks to you, Raina, now I'm going to eat a Big Mac. Thank you. Thank you for making me make an unhealthy choice for dinner. Love you, girl. Cha cha cha. I will link her channel, maybe in a card or in the description box. Go check her out. Ask her for that recipe and show her some love because she is great. You will love her. Guaranteed you're going to subscribe.